Unlock the power of flax seeds. Discover the health benefits you did not know. Today, we're diving into the amazing world of flax seeds and uncovering why they're hailed as a superfood. From boosting heart health to aiding weight loss, flax seeds have a lot to offer. Let's explore 7 compelling reasons why you should consider adding flax seeds to your diet. Benefit number 1. Nutrient powerhouse. Flax seeds are packed with essential nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and lignans. Omega-3 south are crucial for brain health and reducing inflammation, while fiber promotes digestive health and helps you feel full longer. Lignans, known for their antioxidant properties, wellness, and may even help prevent certain cancers. Just 1 tablespoon 7 grams of ground flaxseed packs 2 grams of fiber, which is around 5% and 8% of the daily recommended intake for men and women, respectively. Benefit number 2. Heart health champion. Studies show that flax seeds can lower cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. The omega-3 fatty acids in flax seeds help maintain a healthy heart rhythm and may lower blood pressure, making them a heart-healthy addition to your diet. A review of 15 studies found that supplementing with flaxseed products, including flaxseed powder, may significantly lower levels of both systolic and diastolic blood pressure, the top and bottom numbers on a reading, respectively. Omega-3 fatty acids in flax seeds not only support heart healthy, but also reducing inflammation and promoting fat metabolism. By improving insulin sensitivity and lipid metabolism, omega-3 in flax seeds may assist in shedding excess pounds. Benefit number 3. Digestive support. Thanks to their high fiber content, flax seeds promote digestive regularity and prevent constipation. They act as a natural laxative, supporting a healthy gut microbiome and aiding in the prevention of digestive disorders like diverticulitis. Benefit number 4. Weight management. Flax seeds can be a valuable ally in weight loss and management. The combination of fiber and healthy fats helps control appetite, keeping you fuller for longer periods and reducing overall calorie intake. Incorporating flax seeds into your meals can support your weight loss journey in a nutritious. Flaxseed can be drunk in both morning and evening. In both cases, the created drink will have a beneficial effect on health. Benefit number 5. Skin and hair benefits. The omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants in flax seeds contribute to healthy skin by reducing inflammation and promoting smoother, clearer complexion. These nutrients also nourish hair follicles, promoting stronger, shinier hair and potentially reducing hair loss. Dermatologists and skincare experts agree that flax seeds have beneficial effect on skin. Flaxseed contain mucilage, which causes the gel-like texture when combined with water. Benefit number 6. Potential cancer protection. Flax seeds contain lignans, which have antioxidant and estrogenic properties that may help reduce the risk of breast, prostate, and colon cancers. While more research is needed, incorporating flax seeds into your diet may contribute to overall cancer prevention efforts. Flax seeds high in omega-3 fatty acids, which may help block cancer cell growth. Flax seeds are structurally similar to the estrogen made by the body. Eating more flax does not appear to increase in blood levels of hormones. Benefit number 7. Versatile and easy to incorporate. One of the best things about flax seeds is how easy they are to include in your daily diet. Sprinkle ground flax seeds on yogurt, cereal, or salads, blend them into smoothies, or use them as an egg substitute in baking. Their mild, nutty flavor complements a variety of dishes, making it simple to reap their nutritional benefits. Flax seeds are truly a nutritional powerhouse, offering a wide range of health benefits from heart health to cancer prevention. Whether you're looking to improve your digestion, enhance your skin and hair, or manage your weight, flax seeds are a versatile and easy to incorporate addition to any diet. Start enjoying the benefits of flax seeds today by adding them to your favorite recipes and experience the difference firsthand. Whether you sprinkle ground flax seeds on yogurt or oatmeal, blend them into smoothies, or use them as an egg substitute in baking, there are endless ways to enjoy their nutty flavor and reap their nutritional benefits. Experiment and find what works best for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips and insights. Thank you for watching.